TFE. That's right, that acronym for you, TFE. It should mean a lot to you small business people out there because temporary full expenses, TFE, is due to finish on the 30th of June 2023. And why is it so good? I'll tell you why. Cash flow, tax. Cash flow, tax. So at the height of the pandemic in October 2020, the federal government put in a big incentive for business to go out and invest in capital expenditure, cars, equipment, office furniture, all sorts of things to invest in to keep the economy bubbling along. And it has been a Cinderella story for those businesses who've done it, but it runs out on the 30th of June 2023. What is it? Temporary full expenses. What it is anything you buy that is of asset value of $50,000, $100,000, $200,000, $300,000, $400,000 you can write off, meaning you can get the cash benefit immediately before waiting for that item to be depreciated over a 10-year period. And here's a simple example of temporary full expenses. $100,000 of a piece of equipment is bought. Here is the tax benefit on that $100,000, $25,000. And instead of getting that $25,000 tax cash benefit over a 10-year period, which is the life of the asset, you get that $25,000 cash benefit right up front before the 30th of June. It's as simple as that, folks. Do you want 25 grand now, or do you want 2,500 per year for the next 10 years? Temporary full expensing, folks. Look at it now. You have to have your assets in place by the 30th of June 2023. And let's face it, 2023 financial year may be the last of the very good years through this pandemic and flowing into the next 3 to 4 years where things are looking perhaps a little bit tougher with inflation and interest rates. So when do you want that cash benefit? When do you want the tax benefit? In 2023. Act now, folks. 30th of June 2023, the drawbridge goes down. The government is tightening the screws everywhere on cash because they gave out so much dough during the pandemic. The curtain's going to be drawn. Put those assets in place now and pick up the cash benefit. Again, any queries, chat to your accountant. I'm Pat Mannix.